Hey, and we're back with your favorite class, geometry. Look what I learned how to do. I can split the screen now so you can see my calculator, and then you can also see this work here. Isn't that exciting? Okay, so this video we're going to do hemispheres. Cool. Volume for hemispheres, easy peasy. Okay, almost the same formula, but instead of 4 pi r cubed over 3 or 4/3, it's 2/3, right? Because what is half of 4? It's 2. Duh. Okay, so we're going to do the volume of this hemisphere here is 2/3 pi. The radius was given to me as 5. And then again, we're going to do 5 cubed. Okay, so I can show you how to type that exactly on the calculator. This is going to be the best way to do it. You're going to type alpha y equals, click on that number 1 right there, and you have a fraction. Go ahead and type in your 2/3 and go over, so you're out of the fraction, okay? And then in parentheses, 5, and remember I said that's called a little caret right there, to the power of 3. Bada bing, bada boom, because it gives it to you in a fraction, which is nice. So then that way I can just do the whole thing all at once instead of having to do multi-steps, okay? Make sure you put your pi in there in terms of pi, and that is the volume of this hemisphere. Look at you, you're a genius. Okay, make sense? Yeah? Okay. Surface area of a hemisphere is a little different, okay? Remember how I said it was 4 pi r squared for an entire sphere? So now it's going to be 3 pi r squared, which you're like, but shouldn't it just be half? Kind of, right? Let's look at number 7 right here, okay? We want the surface area of that curved part, which is going to be half of the entire. So half of 4 pi r squared is 2 pi r squared. But surface area also includes any other surfaces. And when you cut a sphere in half, you also have this right here. No, Siri. You have this circular part right here from cutting it in half. That's actually the great circle that we talked about. And so you have to add that extra area, which is pi r squared. So that's where we get 3 pi r squared for the surface area formula. Pretty cool, right? I know. So you have your formula, very easy, 3 pi r squared, not cubed. So this example, the radius is 14. Okay, so 3 pi 14 squared, and we just plug that in. I'm going to do it again in terms of pi. Make sure you're doing, oh, that's not right. Sorry. Squared instead of cubed, and that is going to be 588 pi yards squared. Ta-da! Okay, so hemispheres, they're not that bad. You just got to have your two formulas, okay? Okay, I know this is a really short video, but I think I'll pause here because I want to lump them all into the similar types of problems. So we did spheres, this video was hemispheres, and the last video will be composite figures and working backwards problems. So we're going to work backwards. So basically, the next video is going to be like the challenge problems that you'll see on your homework. Okay, so get ready for that one. Cool.